In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept proposal time, Google Calendar 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a proposed meeting in your Google Calendar and officially accept it, so it shows up as confirmed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your Google account so you can access your apps. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and choose Calendar. This opens your Google Calendar, where you'll see your schedule at a glance. Look for a transparent or lightly shaded event on the date and time someone proposed. That translucent look is Google's way of showing you've been invited but haven't responded yet. It's a helpful visual cue so you can spot pending invitations quickly. To accept that invitation, you'll confirm it from the email that contains the invite. Click the Google Apps icon again and select Gmail. In your inbox, find the email with the event invitation. It typically includes the event title, date, time, and organizer. If you have a busy inbox, try scanning for messages with subject lines like invitation, or use the search bar with the event title or the word invitation to bring it up faster. Open the invitation email. You'll see response options right inside the message, usually labeled yes, no, and maybe. Click yes to accept. This sends your RSVP to the organizer and updates the event status for you as well. After you click yes, Google automatically syncs that decision with your calendar so everything stays consistent. Now head back to Google Calendar to see the change reflected. The event that was transparent should now appear solid, showing that you've accepted. You'll also see it listed alongside your other events, and any default reminders you've set in Calendar will apply. If the time zone is different from yours, Google will adjust the display to your local time, which is great for avoiding confusion. That's it, quick and clean. You went to Google Calendar to identify the invitation, moved to Gmail to accept it, and return to Calendar to confirm it's now solid and on your schedule. If you ever need to change your response later, just open the event in Calendar and update your RSVP. And if you don't see the email right away, give it a moment or search again, as some invitations can land in different inbox categories. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly confirmed event in Google Calendar.